Alright, welcome to part 2 of the series. Go ahead and log into your WordPress, and now we're in the back end at the dashboard. First thing is to change your password. Go ahead and go to Users and All Users and click on the username. In this case it'll be admin, and scroll down to the bottom of the page, and this is where you can change the password. So go ahead and change to something that's more memorable that you can use in the future. Alright, and hit update profile. Great, the next thing we'll do is go to settings and general. Here we'll change the site title and the tagline of your website. So go ahead and change that to whatever is appropriate for your site. Okay, and then scroll to the bottom and save changes. Alright, the next thing we'll do is click permalinks, and we'll click post name. So this just makes it easier for your website to have the name of the post for search engine purposes, so they'll be able to find your site easier. And go ahead and save that. So post name and save changes. Okay, let's check out our website right now. So visit site. And here is the default template that we'll be working with. So the first step to modify this is I'd like to go ahead and modify the main menu of this. So see the sample page right up there? That's the first thing that we'll change, and we'll create different menus and different pages for it. So the sample page is where we'll be working with first. So go ahead and go to the dashboard. So go ahead and click this right here. It'll take you to the back end of it. Okay, and then click Pages and Add New. Alright, and this is where we'll be working on adding the main menu titles. So the first thing that I'd like to have is a welcome menu. So hit Publish, and then we'll add a second one. We'll name this one Acupuncture. And hit Publish again, and we'll add new again. This third one will be called What Does Acupuncture Treat? And hit Publish and add new again. Okay, this will be the About page, so About and then Publish. And then add new. We'll add one last one, which is our contact page. So hit this and click and type contact and publish. Okay, now we want to create the menu. So go ahead and click the menus under Appearance. And under Menu here, I'll just call it Main Menu. So you can call it whatever you'd like, but I'll just call it Main Menu, and click Save. And we want to click the 5 different pages that we just created once we remove this sample page right here. So we've taken care of that, and we'll click all these different pages right here. These are the headers that we just created. So click all those and add to menu. And we'll want to rearrange it however we'd like. So I want the welcome to be the first one to show up. And right here, make sure that it's not indented like this, because what will happen is the acupuncture will be a submenu of welcome. So make sure that it's not tabbed out like that. It'll be all lined up. So put the acupuncture all lined up to welcome. Then next is what does acupuncture treat, and then contact is last. So this is the order that I'd like, and go ahead and save that. And at the top right here in manage locations, I'll click that tab right there. and make sure that the assigned menu is the main menu that I just created. So that's correct. I'll hit save. And let's go ahead and see what happened. So that's what we just created, the 5 different menus. So visit site. So there we go. We see the welcome, the acupuncture, the what is the acupuncture treat, the about, and the contact pages are all up top. So those are the 5 pages we just created. Okay, let's go back to the dashboard, and now we'll change that picture, the orange and yellow kind of graphic that was on top there. We'll go to the header, appearance header, and we'll go ahead and choose the file here. So I've already created a file, so my file here is called leaf, so I'll pick leaf and choose that and click upload. And this file is a large file, so it'll ask me to crop it once this has uploaded. Alright, so I'm happy the way it's cropping it by default, so I'll just go ahead and scroll down and crop and publish. Alright, so there you go. So scroll to the bottom, and I'd like to change the text color since the black is a little bit too blended with the background. So I'll click this right here and choose maybe a yellow, something that'll stand out from the black and green of the image that we have. Alright, that looks good. I'll hit save. There we go. So the yellow kind of pops out better than the black. And let's go ahead and check that out. There we go. So the headers are in place, the image is in place, and the title is in place with a yellow color instead of the black. Alright, so let's go ahead now and edit those pages that we just created, the menus. Okay, we want to get rid of this hello world, so go ahead and choose the static page right here under the static front page, and I'd like it to be the welcome instead of the hello world. There we go. So go ahead and click save and close. Alright, so let's go ahead and check that out. So here we go. See, so now it says welcome instead of the hello world. That'll be the first thing that the people will see once they're on this website. So that's perfect. Alright, let's go ahead and add some content. So let's go to pages, all pages. So let's edit the welcome one first. So click on welcome and then add the text that you want to add. So for me, I've already made some text that I'll just paste on here. Alright, that looks good. And I'll go ahead and click update. Okay, and then let's go back to all pages. And let's work on the about page. Okay, and let me just paste my text here and hit update. Alright, let's go back to all pages again. Let's work on the what does acupuncture treat page. Again, I'm going to paste the text I've already made and hit update. Alright, and then again, all pages. Work on the acupuncture page. So this one I'll put text and a picture as well, so you can see that you can actually add a picture easily on this. Let me make this bold. Hit update. We'll add media. So click add media right here, and then I already have a picture that I have ready for this. So I'll just select file and click this picture and then choose and insert to page. There you go. And hit update. Alright, so let's check that out. So the welcome has text that we just created. The acupuncture has a text and a picture that we added. The what is acupuncture treat has all the text that we just created, as well as the about. So perfect. Everything is coming out to be really good. So the contact will work on in a little bit here. But that's everything else is perfect. And I'd like to actually get rid of this leave reply right here. It looks a little awkward for it to be right there. So let's go ahead and do that. So go back to the dashboard. Go to appearance and the editor. This is the only time I'll be going into the code, so don't worry about it. Just kind of follow these steps. Hit page template. Scroll all the way till you see PHP comments right here. Just add 2 slashes in front of this right here. And hit update file. Again, that's the only code edit that we'll do for this demo. Let's check out the site. Perfect, there you go. So all the comment page had been taken away by adding those 2 slashes in the code. Alright, so from the dashboard here, let's go ahead and add some plugins. So add new. The first plugin I'd like to add is for the contact page. So the plugin is called Big Contact. To add a contact form, search plugins. Okay, right here, click Install Now under Big Contact contact page. And just say yes to this. And activate plugin. Alright, so let's go to that. So all pages, we'll go to the contact page and edit that. Scroll to the bottom and click Insert into Page. It'll give you a short code right here. Make sure that shows up and hit Update. Okay, and let's go ahead and check that out. Okay, perfect. So this is the form, the plugin that we just created. So it's looking really good. Let's go back to the dashboard and make sure that the email is going to the correct email address. So let's edit Big Contact right here under its settings. And under general email, type in the email that you'd like the contact form to forward all the messages to. And go ahead and scroll down. And save changes. Alright, that's good. And let's go ahead and install another plugin. So this one will be for the social media. So add new. So it's called social media widget, or sorry, social media. Search plugins. Oh, it is called social media widget. So go ahead and social media widget, click install now, and click OK. And again, just like the other one, click activate plugin. Alright, let's check that out. So we're going to add it to the bottom left right here. So we're going to get rid of all these different things at the brown area and add the widget for social media. So click appearance and widgets. So under main widget area right here, we'd like to drag and drop out of this box all these different menus right here, since we don't want that there, to clean up the bottom area, and we'll insert social media widget, which we just installed. Okay, scroll to the bottom and click on social networking right here. Oops, right here. And under Facebook, type in your Facebook address. I'm just going to put facebook.com just for the demo. And then for Twitter, add your Twitter. Again, I'll just put twitter.com. Same thing for Google. And same thing for LinkedIn. All right, and go ahead and scroll to the bottom and make sure that you save. Perfect, and let's go ahead and check that out. Let's scroll to the bottom there. There you go. So we got rid of the different menus that were there earlier, but now we added the social media aspect of it. So those will link to the pages that you've created, the Facebook, the LinkedIn, the Twitter, and all that. Okay, I just wanted to show you exactly how the page looks so far. So far, it's looking pretty good. So it's nice and clean, a simple website. So this is, again, such a simple tool that you can use, WordPress and the different plugins, to be able to create and edit the website that you'd like. So here we go. And there's a search button for this template right here. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed the demonstration, and if you have any questions, definitely please contact me, and I'll be able to help you and provide you with information. If I don't know the answer, of course, I'll direct you, or I'll help you find the information, and we'll go from there. So thank you for watching this demonstration, and I hope this was helpful.